Jay, over to you. You can get started.
Thank you, Krishnaji, for brief introduction and about the program. So this workshop is also be the same as the last one. Like last time, I took the workshop on info boxes, but it will be not about the info boxes. It is about the journal templates. And at last, we will look how we can debug the templates. So first question will be the like, what is the templates? Okay, so a template is a Wikipedia page created to be included in other pages. So what are the template? Template is a special kind of pages that created for repetition works. Like you have some repetition or you want to generate the content dynamically. So at for this purpose you will use the templates. So what we will do is that we create a structure with a template, and then whenever we need the content on a wiki page, then we call the template and it will generate the content dynamically and add it to your wiki page. So we can say they are the commonly used for boilerplates, messages, standardized warning and notice info boxes, navigational boxes, and the similar purposes. So there are no fixed type of templates, but generally we categorize the templates in three types. First is info box templates, and second is navigation templates, and third one is special kind of templates. So first thing is what are the info boxes templates. So if you go on a English Wikipedia or any Wikipedia, so you will see that there is a knowledge panel at the right side of every article, which contain details like for instance it is a space article, so it contains mission type, operator, mission duration, and manufacturer, launch mass, etc. For the person, it is name, date of birth, place of birth, etc. So these are called the info boxes. So if you are on a desktop version, then you will see the info boxes at the right side. But if you are on a mobile version, then it will be show on a top of the page. Like if I go any article, so you can see that in the desktop home, the templates are generally at the right side of the article, like here. But if I change the mode and go to in the mobile version, then you will see that it will be the like after the section. First, it will be the lead text, and then there will be the template in the mobile version. So second kind of templates are the navigation templates. So a navigation template is grouping of a link used to multiple related articles to facilitate navigation between those articles. So when we use the navigation templates, there will be like this kind of structures. You can see there is some category, and then there will be some links. And the third kind of templates are the special kind of templates. So some templates are created to perform special tasks like the mentioning someone, express your support, oppose, or notices, adding hidden categories, etc. So these are called the special kind of templates. So you can see the example like ping, support, oppose, notice, and the warnings. So if I go on my sandbox, if I need to ping someone, then I have to call the ping template with their username. Like so, you can see that it converted the Casey Valga as a at the rate and link that user. Like that, there is a template called support. Oh, support template is not created here, but it will be available on Meta Wiki. So first, before diving into the debugging the templates or etc., first we have to learn means basics of the templates, like how we can create, how we can call. So template are created in the template namespace with wiki text content. So any wiki tag can be used in the template. So first write the template colon, then the name of the template. So like you can see that here template name can be replaced with the any name of which you want to use as a template name. To create the template, just create the template with template colon prefix. To use that template, you have to use the double curly bracket and the closing double curly bracket to call that template. So I have already set up the test wiki for doing the experimentation. So if you can also be create any sandbox here, there will be no like ban or something. It is a test platform, so you can do whatever you want. So first you have to write template and the name of the any means the name of the template. Like for here, test 1 2 3 4 5. If there will be any template exists with that name, then the link of here will be the blue instead of red. Here I can see that red color is it means the template is not created yet. So I can create the new template. If it is blue, then it means that the template is already exist. So as I said before that we can use any wiki markup in a template. So if I need to do a bold, then I can use triple quotation and bold text, and I can save the text like wiki page. So here you can see that the template has been created. So when I need to use that template, I first have to write two curly bracket and the name of the template without the prefix. Like I use test 1 2 3 4 5 like that. If I do show preview, now you can see that the text from the template has been included in this page. So I can use this many times. Like there is no foundation of how many times we can use. You can see here like multiple times. That is the beauty of templates. No, I think not. I think create topic page is part of structured discussion extension. You don't need to be use the special page for this purpose. You just can go on any wiki and just type template colon and the name of the template to create the template. Only two things remember. First, whenever you create the template, just give the template colon prefix, and whenever you want to call that template, just use double curly brackets and the name of the template without prefix and double closing curly brackets to call the template. So now you have a one task. Let's create a simple template. Go to the your local wiki, or you can go on the test instance like jayprakashport.toolsforge.org. You can go any of these, like on your local wiki or my test platform, and then create a page template colon sandbox slash your username and slash info or anything with any random content. So you can get some experience like how you can create the template. And now try to use double curly bracket and the name of the template multiple times in a wiki page, so that you can get some experience like how the templates work for repetition work. So I am sharing the link to chat box. Please create the one simple template and paste the link here so that I can see like you are understanding or not. Please do as soon as possible. Also paste a link where you are calling the template. Okay, so two persons have been created the template and one have done the calling the template on other page. So move move forward. So now the second thing is that we need to pass some parameters. Like what are the parameters? First of all, the main purpose of the template is to create the dynamic content. So if there is no meaning of the template, if it does not create any content dynamically based on a given data, so that is the beauty of templates. It's abstract the data as a parameter and render the content dynamically according to data. So to the pass the data into the template, we have two options. First, I think I am clear like why we are passing the parameters, because we need to generate the dynamic content through the template. So for that we have to pass some data to generate the content. So that for that purpose we are using the uh, parameter passing. So there are two ways to pass the parameters. First is pass parameter by as a positionally, and second is pass parameter as key. The option first is passing parameters as a positionally. So let's change the content of a previously created template with this, like my name is triple curly brackets one, and then the triple closing curly brackets, and then I live in triple curly brackets second and triple curly brackets. Like that you can use this text. I can show you, I can share this text to you.
Jay, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I feel somewhere lost. I'll just drop my link here, like where I've just created first template. I think somewhere lost where we started to call the template. So can you just guide me there?
Yeah, okay, sure. So now here you have created this template, like
Yeah,
template colon sandbox and the Bhuvna slash info.
yeah,
Now the template has been created, but now we have to call it somewhere, because there is no meaning of template like if we are not using it somewhere.
yeah.
Okay, so for that just copy the name of the template, not the with, without the prefix of template calling, and go any page like the randomly. It will be not case for the randomly, but for the here we can use any random page to call that template. So for that, first you need to put the double curly bracket and then the paste the name of the template and double curly closing brackets. Okay,
Yeah.
and then save the page. Now you can see here like
Hmm.
the template is called on
Oh,
this page.
right. Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Now, but it is a currently the static template. Like it is not taking any parameter as a input.
Hmm.
So the next thing is passing the parameter. Like first is positionally. In the positionally, what we do is that we pass the parameter as a position, like 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and
Yeah.
then when we need to call the template, we pass the parameters in a order, like the first double curly bracket and the name of the template, whichever you have, and then one pipe. I called it pipe, but it is something else. So pipe and the parameter, like J will be replace the one, and India will replace the second, and 2017 will replace the third. Because if you see that parameter 1, 2, 3.
Okay, get it. Thank you.
Yeah. So now your task is like the previously created sandbox template which you have created. Just put this content like my name is triple curly brackets 1 triple curly brackets closed, and then I lived means anything content, but you have to use like the triple curly bracket 1 and closing curly bracket triple curly bracket and like 1 2 3, so you can pass the parameter. Like I can show. So I had created this template. So what I will do here is that I will replace this tag to with this content. So my name is 1 and I lived in 2. I am editing Wikipedia since 3, like that, and I save this page. So now it is called placeholder. Like 1 is here placeholder and second is placeholder, and okay, I think there is some problem with the third. And 3 is placeholder here. So now we are calling the template, but now we have to give some parameters to the template, like we used 1 2 3. For that purpose I just first put a one pipe and then any text for that placeholder. Like for me, my name is Jayaprakash and I live in India, and then pipe I editing Wikipedia since 2015. And now when I will show preview, you can see here that like um, triple curly bracket 1 closing triple curly bracket is replaced by the jar, and second is replaced by the India, and third is replaced by 2015. So that is called the positionally passing parameters, because we are passing the parameters as positional like 1 2 3, and it will go to that template and replace this 1 2 3 with that content. Just remember here we use triple curly bracket and closing triple curly brackets. Now I think you will get the point. Like if anyone has any confusion, then please ask me. Yeah, that is a good example of using positionally passing parameters. Do anyone have any questions about the passing the parameters as a positionally? Okay, sounds good. So now we can move forward. Like just like I said before, that the use of these parameter in template, we have to use position numbers. Okay, so there is a one thing, like you can see here if we go on a template, like so we can see that here is a 1 and there is a 2. Like we can give some default value to it. Like if nothing is passed, then the default value will be placed. So like how we can do that? So here after the 1, so what you can do, you can put 1 5 and then any default value for it. Default value like this is template from and then a pipe pn wiki, like that. So if nothing will be passed as a first parameter, then the template value will be used as a default. So like you can see that the 1 and 2 has been gone. Now it is template and the bn wiki. But even if we called it with parameter, it will remain like not the same. But like if I here do j and second is hi wiki, then it will replace that default value. You can see here this is j from hi wiki. Yeah, if I use nothing, like I remove hi wiki just and pass only j as a parameter first, then it will use j for the first parameter, and for the second parameter is it use default value, which is which we gave bnwiki. And even if I remove the j as well, then it will use the both default values. Like first one is template and second is bnwiki, which we gave here. So what we need to do, just we need to put one pipe in front of one or two or three any position, and then give the default value. This was all about the passing parameters as a positionally. So now there is a second way of passing the parameter, which is passed by key. Like we can take any key and give the data according to key. Like my name is triple curly bracket name and closing triple curly bracket, and then I lived in city and I editing Wikipedia since, and then the year. So now when we call the template for parameter as a key, then we have to specify key as well. Like in the past, what we did, we just give j and pipes India pipe year 2017 or 15 anything. But now here we have to give the key as well. Like key is equal to name is equal to j, and then city is equal to India, or year is equal to 2017. So you can see we are passing the data which separated by pipe and with key is equal to value format. This is called the passing parameter as a key. Here name is equal to j and city is equal to India and year is equal to 15 will be allocated by the us. In the previous word, the 1, 2, 3 is allocated by the system, not by us. But here we have more control over the parameters because we are passing it with keys. Key will be the unique. Okay. So now I am going on a same template. Like my template, my name is 1. I lived in 2. I edited Wikipedia since 3. But now I will give it to the key, like name, city, and year, and save the template. If you see the info boxes, then you can find that we are passed the parameters as a key. Info box like title, image, status, like these kind of data we give to the info box person. It is a format of key value pair. Now I have to call the template with like name key and value, and the city is equal to Delhi, and year is equal to 2015, and double curly closing bracket. So now you can see that the name has been replaced by J, city has been replaced by Delhi, and the year is replaced by 2015. Okay, please try to use the parameter as a key on your template. You already have created the template with the positionally passing parameter. Now use the key passing parameter.
Can you keep the slide on, Jay?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So now move forward. So now one more thing is that whenever we use the templates, so we have to have like some things we want to include in a pages where the templates being called, and some contents like documentation of the template we don't want to include in the pages where it being called. So for that functionality we have two template inclusions. So first is no include, and second is include only. So let me discuss first. So anything between the no include will be seen only on the template page is being viewed directly, but not when it is being included in another page. So what it means, like I go here on my template docs. I need to create the documentation. But if I write something here, it will also be called on a page where the this template is being called. So that is the problem. For to solve this problem, we have one template inclusion like no, no, include, and content whatever I want, like the users section, users. This is a for template for test, and closing the no include. So content which I put between the no include and closing no include will only be displayed on a template page, but not on a page where it being called. Like if I save the page here, so you can see here the users, it's being viewed seen by us. But if I go on a page where it's being called like the test 123, and I do here show preview, so you can see here there is a no uses section here. It is only be seen here only because we put the no include template inclusions. I hope I am clear on
Yeah.
this one.
So where is this actual use? Like when we're not really going to include it anywhere, is it like kind of like temporary, kind of having a template here and then using it later, or um, where would this then be used?
No include, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So mm, whenever you go on any template on a English Wikipedia like that, okay, reply to. So you can see there is a huge documentation of this, like how to use this template. If I if we don't have no include, then it is also being included on that page where we use the template reply to. Like for the documentation purpose, whenever we document anything, we put documentation in between the no include.
Oh, okay. Like comments or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
So anything put here will not be show on a page where it's being called.
hmm.
But
Okay.
on a main template page, we can see that text here.
Mm. All right, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Like that we have second tag include only. So what include only do is that it will not include the text on a template page, but it will include the text where it's being called. Like I have this template. Okay. So first is include only. Include only. And include only. So if I put like category A, B, C, like that, the template of writing. So I put the category markup here in include only. So if I save the template, so here you can see there is no category here. But if I save the text here, because here I am calling the template, so you can see here that there is a category template of writing. So anything any content put into the include only will not seen here, but it will include in the page where the template is being called. Like here in that page user Jayaprakash, I am including the template and calling the template. So here the category has been attached with this page. But here it is a main template page and it does not call the template. So here we will not include the category. So there is thumb rule. If we want to show some text on template page only, then use in no include, and content which you want to include on a page where it's being called, so use include only. If you anyone has confusion, please ask me.
I'm sorry, can I go? Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
so the include only basically brings in the sorry. I mean, it is also bringing in, like, I can see still, like, the ones which I've already given before that, like the template I used before, like the call function I've used before. Say, I think if I share this, you'd be more like just so. Yeah, this is where it's like going and reflecting to, and this is where I've been adding my templates. Um, So see, for example, that hi, my first template, my name is so and so. So these were which is experimenting before including the include only function, right? So even these would come on the page irrespective of using include only.
Can you
I
say again?
think question. So include only does not take away the rest of the portions of the page and gives only under its section. Rather, it just does whatever is given under it, right?
No, no,
Just
no.
adding.
Rest of the will also be included.
Oh, okay. So what's the basic purpose of this?
It is used generally for the heading categories.
Only the categories.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
because if you use the category on in a template, then it will include. Like I can show you.
So the category will not work without the include only function.
No, look, okay, just see that. If I put the category here, okay,
Yeah.
and I will save. So category will also be include this page as well, like that. The template page is also be used on this category.
Template page itself. Oh.
Yeah, itself. But we don't want to the template in this category. So what we can do, we can put this tags in an include only. Okay.
Uh, but still, I see it, I guess. I mean, I've given. Uh, okay, I think I made an error. Okay, I'll check it. Okay, fine, fine.
No, if we will put the content like the category content outside the include only, so what it will do, it will also include this page in the category template page.
Mm, okay, okay, I get it.
You can see here like
Mm-hmm.
templates that this page is also be part of this category, but we don't want it. We just want to the pages of pages where the this template is being called be a part of this category, not the template itself.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I see the difference now.
Yeah. If I put the content again in here, so it will not include the template in the category, but
The template page, right? Yeah.
yeah, template page. But where it's being called, it will include that page. Like here, Jayaprakash is being
Mm.
is used this template. So here it is adding that page into that category, but not the
Oh,
template itself.
right. So other than category, what else can we use here inside the include only?
Everything you can use, like which you want to include on that page. But the
Color
most,
page.
yeah, color page. But most of the case, this is the reason, like the category.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay. Thank you.
In the 90% case, I see that include only used for the category, to not include template page in the category, but the include pages of the color pages to
Hmm.
include in that category.
Hmm. Yeah, it makes sense, right? Like, I mean, the color page having the categories and the template page itself. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now we have we should move forward to the debugging of template. So the common error for every time was two. Like one is related to the parameter passing, and second is related to the Lua templates. So if I go on this template and I have missed one curly bracket at closing, so it will emit the error like that, template name, because now it is not mm, a parameter. It is the template itself. Like we have seen that if you use double curly bracket, then it will treat that name as a template. But if we forget to put, if we use the three curly bracket, then it will use the name key as a parameter. So if you getting any error like related to like the template is showing, but you are sure that this was the parameter. Like here you can see that na, if I remove one curly bracket and do the show preview, then you can see here that it is showing as a template. But you are sure about that name is not a template, it is a parameter. So just go on a template where it's being called and check mm, clearly, like how many curly brackets are you using. For the parameter, always remember there will be the three curly brackets. So if I do show preview again, that error is gone. So this is the basic template debugging. If you are passing some data to the template and it is not showing well, then it's mean and it's showing the mm, red link of the template, then it means you you miss some curly brackets. Now the second most error which communities found is that whenever they import some templates on the other wiki, so they don't know how to import the scripts. So I can show you the case. Like it is a reply to template. So if I click on edit and copy the content of this template to, to my wiki and just for I should remove and save it. So this is the most common error on a wikis, like the script error. No such module replied to. Okay, so to fix that this error, this script error, just go on edit and see what is the text after hash invoke. Like here you can see that hash invoke and then there is the name of the module. So just copy that name and go on the wiki where you have copied that template and type module and that content, module and name of that text. So what we did, we just copy the text after the hash invoke. Here hash invoke means it is calling a module. So for that, and this is the name of the module. So just copy it and go on a wiki where you have copied that template. Type here the module, colon, and the name of the module on which we are already present. You don't need to change anything on this page where the hash invoke is calling the module. You just need to copy that and close this window and open a new window and copy this name from that wiki and copy the content of the module page. You can see here it is not a wiki page, it is a module namespace. You can see here module and put the content here, like whatever you have copied from other wiki. Like in this case I am copying from the English Wikipedia, so just copy the text of module and put here and just save that page. So after the creating the module page, you will see that this error will gone. It is not gone, but yeah, it is some caching, due to some caching. If I refresh the page again, yeah, you can see that now the error has been gone. So now I am sharing a one link. First, who will do, like who have understand this?
Yeah. Yes, it's fine too. Yeah.
Okay, so I am pasting a one link of a Kannada Wikipedia page. So go on that page. What you will see here that you can see that script error, no such module, template, link, journal. So now you will know how we can fix. Like we just saw that how we can fix. Has anyone can fix this? Has someone want to fix this issue? Like I can guide.
Yeah, I would like to, but I'm checking the error first.
Yeah, sure. So error is simple, like script error, no such module, this name. So what it means, like you have to create a one page module colon template link journal, and content you will find of this page on English Wikipedia. So template page is already exist on English Wikipedia. So on a Kannada Wikipedia, what you need to do is that you need to create a module. This module, I am
Is it the
pasting.
same thing on the KN Wikipedia thing?
What?
Is it like the same module needs to be created on the KN Wikipedia?
Yeah. That is why this error is coming. Like on a KN Wikipedia, there is a no module called template space link space journal. Okay. So what we can do, we can go on a English Wikipedia, and on English Wikipedia, this module with this name is already exist. So what we just need to do it. We first need to copy this content and create a template, create a page with this name and with that content on a key and Wikipedia. When we do this, the error will gone from this page.
What did you mean by the content? Like the localized content, or
No. Content is like when you create on a click on a edit button, you will find the content. This
yeah,
content.
yeah. So we just copy and paste it there, right?
Paste it there. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So these are the some most common errors on our wikis, Indic wikis. Like first is wrongly using the parameter with mismatch of curly brackets. Like if you open the parameter with 3 curly brackets, then you have to close the parameter with 3 curly brackets. So if you forget 1 or 2 curly bracket, so it will emit the error like template not found, because then if you miss any curly bracket, then it will treat the parameter as a template. And second is script error, no module found. And script error, no module found is the most counted error on wikis. what happened is that pupils generally copy the template from another wiki to their their language wiki or local wiki, but they forget to copy the modules from that another wiki. In that case, when they create the template, it emits the no module found script error. For more advanced debugging and the creating the template, you should have the knowledge of Lua programming language, because all the scripts are the module are written in Lua program. For that, you have to learn the Lua programming. Then you can go ahead with advanced debugging of a template. But for the most basic, these two will be enough. Bhuvanaji, have you created the page?
Uh, yeah, I mean, I created, but what happened was basically, I think some kind of like password error with my account is coming. Not sure. Like I'm using the same account as like what I log in for the English Wikipedia, but I don't know for some reason the Kannada Wikipedia is not accepting the same.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So
some kind
anyone,
of authentication trouble I'm having.
yeah, anyone can else want to do this work? It is easy. Just go on English Wikipedia and copy this content and this title and create the page on KN Wikipedia.
I am creating this.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I got it fixed. So I mean, if someone else is doing, I'm sorry.
Yes, I think someone is else too.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Who is it doing?
I am failed to saving this module. This showing some error. I think anyone can do this.
Okay, so now I am doing that. Like I go on this module and copy the name of the module and go on a KN Wiki and open a new tab and search the module if module is already exist or not. So we can see here there is a red link. So it means it does not exist on this wiki. So I just go and copy the content of module namespace and paste on that wiki where we need to create this module and publish page. Now here we can see that there was a error, script error. No such module found, like template link journal. So I am now going to refresh it. It should go on. Yeah. Now you can see that there is no script error. There are some error like the red link, but it does not related to the templates and the Lua. It is the general error, like not an error. It is just the red links. But the main error was script error was gone just after the creating this template link journal module from the English Wikipedia. Yeah. So like that, you can go on your wiki and see that Sarah, like on in which pages there are kind of error like script errors, and try to fix that templates by creating the modules on your wiki. Like on Hindi Wikipedia, there is a error like Lua error. You can see at the module location map data Zombia does not exist. What it mean? Like it mean like this name that module location map data zombia is not exist on a Hindi Wikipedia. So like that you can go on your wiki and see that these kinds of error and try to solve them. It will very helpful for your community and for the entire Wikimedia. So now if anyone has any questions, please ask. Do anyone have any questions? Yeah, I know for some persons this is the like the repetition of the previous template workshop, but for the advanced template debugging or the creating of advanced templates, you need to know at least some basic Lua programming. And we will plan some workshop for the advanced templates. But yeah, we can see that the participation is very low. Okay, so
can you like uh, point or like send us, I mean, like for people who are participating to few other, like, these small bugs that can be fixed?
Yeah.
Especially
We are considering it. Like we have already did some research, and we will send you some tasks like try to fix these templates, try to fix this template.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you'd be emailing us, or like we need to check on some talk page or something?
I think we will mail you
Okay,
in a week.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. And please do send the. I mean, where can we find the slides and stuff?
Yeah. You will find the on the comments. I will upload them.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah, it was really interesting. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, Krishna. Thank you.